Director of Online Now Booking Engine. It's a pleasure for me being here. It's a pleasure seeing so many people here who can understand that the traditional way of making business in tourism has changed, and you need to follow the new era that is with channel manager, with booking engine, with websites. So let's start with the whole picture, with the general picture regarding the online sales. I know all of you professionals are searching all the time in the internet in order to find out which is the best online marketing tool, which are the best OTAs from market to market, which is the best channel manager you could use in order to have more and more OTAs. When I say OTAs, as Hans told before, are channels like Booking, Expedia, and also you're searching to find out which are the best tools for online price comparison in order for you to see your competition and increase your revenue online. Now, I say that channels, as many as more channels you put your hotel in, it's a free advertisement. It's a free advertisement because you get awareness and somebody sees your hotel. It's common for a user when he's getting into the internet, let's say he gets into booking.com first, then he goes to TripAdvisor to see reviews for your hotel. At the same moment, he's searching in the internet in order to find out if you have a web page. Now, what is a web page? A web page is a visitor's pathway to your booking engine. So the common mistake hoteliers do is that they don't consider the official website of the hotel as a unique point with your booking engine. They are together. If you have a fair booking engine and a good hotel website, you don't increase your revenue. You don't make online sales. If, on the other hand, you have a good booking engine and a fair website, again, not the booking engine can help you increase and create bookings. So, what is a good booking engine then? A good booking engine, as all users, a common user can understand that a good booking engine is the one that can empower your sales strategy, that can get the bookings from your hotel website. It can get bookings from Facebook page or other social media. And of course, it can get bookings from smartphones and tablets. This is another world. So we have the online world, which is with computers, and there is another completely different world, which is smartphones and tablets. Okay? It's common, you can understand that the booking engine has to be multi-language, it has to have currency converter, sometimes dynamic calendars or methods in order to show prices and products to the client the most clear way. Of course, it has added value services to be sold inside of the booking engine. It can provide major credit card payment methods, also some other getaways like PayPal. This is a good booking engine. As a business developer, I can tell you from the beginning on that Book Online Now is a good booking engine. This is a good sales point. I believe anybody, any professional, anybody who is a sales professional, that you can understand that, could come to your hotel and tell you, this is a good booking engine. What is a good booking engine for you? Because you are a user, you're booking hotels, you like going inside and book yourself a hotel. So, a good booking engine, when you're using as a professional, is to have a very good book online, fully customized version. That means the website and the booking engine should be fully customized in smartphones and tablets. Also, in the new era, you know that social media play a great deal in order to create bookings. So you have your official website, you have your official fan page of Facebook. Having a booking engine that is fully integrated inside Facebook doesn't leave the client of the procedure inside Facebook. This means fully integrated. So somebody who gets into the Facebook page stays in the Facebook page. He can make the booking inside Facebook. On the other hand, a great importance is the sales service that each booking engine can provide. Book Online now provides a very good and extremely powerful and effective SEO service that means that your booking engine increases in the ranking of search engines. Not only Google, but all the search engines that are active inside. That means that you can come in the back end of the extranet Book Online now and put keywords, meta search, descriptions that help search engines rank your page higher. Now, Book Online now, as well as I told you before, has a multi-language support. That means that the main procedure, the main steps of the booking engine are already translated in 21 languages. At the same time, a new language can be added within maximum 1 week. This helps clients feel more familiar with the booking engine. This means they see the steps of the booking engine, they can follow the steps correctly, and they know what they book. We give a great deal in Book Online now in having a very attractive website feel and look. As I told you before, the connection between the website and the booking engine must be unique. That means that you need to follow the logo of the hotel, follow the header of the hotel, follow the colors of the hotel. Also the opportunity of adding a background image that can follow the feel and look of the official website of the hotel. When a client gets to the first booking procedure, he needs to have a clear and understanding method on how he can book a room or search with different criteria. Book Online now supports the traditional calendar, also a dynamic calendar, which displays the best available rate in the market with the room type, and whenever somebody clicks on it, he's redirected directly to the second step of the booking procedure, which again must be clear for the client. Our display is with room types, rate plans, special offers, and how rates are being considered in each room type. As I told you, rates should be clear to the client because he needs all the time to understand whether a rate is a non-refundable policy, a free cancellation, has specific rules, or needs specific attention. Also, there is an opportunity for upsell services. Another common mistake, if I could tell that, is that clients and hoteliers believe that the booking engine is only for rooms, for selling rooms. It's not only for selling rooms. You have extra facilities and amenities in your hotel you should force and sell. This is why we have another option of adding extras of your hotel, like a spa, like pick up from airport, meal plans, half board, full board, which is not considered very well from hoteliers. This is extra revenue for the hotel. Not only online revenue, but online revenue for the hotel itself. Okay. Now, at the first step of the booking procedure, of course, we need to have a secure getaway. That means the client needs to be 100% sure that his credit card is secure, and this is why Book Online now is PCI compliance, which means it has the higher level of the credit card security system. Okay. Now, a good booking engine is a good booking engine. Is it enough for you? I suppose for some, yes. But for me, believe me, as a business development manager, I wouldn't proceed in putting in my hotel, in a good private hotel, a good booking engine. I need the top class booking engine. What is a top class booking engine? I told you before, if you remember, regarding website, that the website is the pathway that guides the client into the booking engine. Okay, this one is a guided tool. That means that in a way, a client wants from you to show him what you sell, show him the special offers. So he needs to be guided. It's like going to a big, let's say, supermarket where you have a desk full of products, but you know that there is a selling point that leads you to buy a specific product. This must happen. This must be done also in your booking engine. Okay. Now, to be considered as a top booking engine, you need to find the tools and the features that could lead the client to the specific sale and increase, of course, the revenue of the hotel. Okay. Now, The most common and the most commonly used feature in Book Online now is the special offer section. As soon as the client logs in the first step of the booking procedure, in the header you can find a link that opens a pop-up window with unlimited offers, unlimited special offers the client could create in the back end. Now, which is the special thing with these special offers? Those special offers, as soon as the client clicks on the title or the picture that you have set for this special offer, is redirected directly to the second step of the booking procedure. That means in the second step where you can see which is the product with the exact criteria you have set. When I say criteria, I mean the exact date, the exact room, and even the exact dates you have set that the offer is valid for. This is a very good opportunity for you to use it in your official web page. Book Online now from the back end generates this special link, direct link that can be used in the official web page of the hotel. This is why we insist for hoteliers in their web page to have a different section where they can have the special offer section. So they display the special offer. Let's say, as an example, stay 10 days, pay 8, get 2 free. For August. This means that if you take this direct link, you put it in your website, you give the description, the client is redirected directly to August with 10-day search, and he gets 2 days free. So clients need to be guided. They need to not lose time. They don't want to go to the first step, go to the calendar and search when does this offer exist. Okay. These links can also be used in email marketing. So if you have from your PMS all the data of the hotels, you could send, let's say, a newsletter having a direct link directly to the offer you propose to them. Now, as I told you, the special offers may be a discount, maybe a free stay, but it could be also a package deal. This is again the point where I remind you that having packages means that you can sell more products that are inside in your hotel, more extras, add values, as we call it. So you can create multiple rate plans, having as an extra something that you want to sell to the hotelier, to the client. Sorry. This means differentiate your product from the booking engine. A common thinking of the hoteliers is that if I have a price in, let's say, booking.com, I have to have the same price in the booking engine. Okay, this is correct because they come back to you and say that you need to have the same pricing policy. In order to make it more convenient for the client and make it to increase the revenue for you, you can give him a free spot included in the price. So differentiate your product from booking.com from Expedia. This is why we work also with promo codes in our system. What are promo codes? Are specific words that can be created in the back end, combined with special offers, special packages, and those promo codes, when given to a client, if they go to the first step of the booking procedure and put this word promo code, this client and only will see the special offer or special package. We give a great deal in our system in showing those promo codes, in showing those different products that you have. When I say products, I mean rate plans that you have in your system. One is the pop-up light box window. This comes to the client the first time he enters the booking engine. So a pop-up window appears, and you can display maybe the special offers, the special packages, any event that happens in your hotel, or any other different things that you have and you want to have different from your competition. Now, a new feature that we are launching this month is the email retargeting. So it's critical to bring back visitors who have abandoned the second step of the booking procedure. That means they got inside in your website, they got in the booking engine, they went to the second step, but for a reason, they can't. You don't know from the statistics. If you go to Google Analytics from your website, maybe there is a procedure of checking whether he has left this procedure. But with this email retargeting, we give you the opportunity to have a customized message whenever he clicks and abandons the booking procedure, to have the pop-up window and telling him, if you put your email and keep your email inside in our database, we can send you a special offer that we could offer to you. Okay? This helps you in order to have the name loyalty. Okay? This is why we have a specific different section in our booking engine, which is called member login. Whenever somebody books a room through our booking engine, he receives two emails. One email is, of course, the confirmation of the booking, okay, with all the details, the policies, the cancellation, the payment policies. At the same time, he receives a username and a password in order for him to enter inside in our system, yes, to change and modify or cancel the reservation he has done. So the system recognizes automatically that all the details, surname, name, telephone, email, but at the same time, this can be used by you in the client section in order to create loyalty for your clients. When we have a specific section which is called Loyalty VIP Group, that means that you can create from the customers, from the details of the customer, you can decide whether this client is a VIP, a silver member, or let's say the name of the hotel member. This way you can connect this membership of each client into a discount or a specific package deal. Okay? Now, Book Online now, through this method, is trying for you to understand, the hoteliers to understand that having a database of the clients, even from the PMS, helps your hotel increase revenue. Okay? Now, another feature we are launching is the geographic pricing module. That means when you have the database of the clients, you see where they come from. Maybe you want to differentiate the pricing in specific areas. If you have many leads from Europe, you can decide whether this price should be higher or lower. You could give a discount in the USA clients. You could give a discount in the Latin area. This way, with the IP of the client, the machine recognizes automatically the IP of the client, and therefore he can display different rates and different needs that each market has. Okay? This way, we have also the geolocation synchronization. That means you can automatically configure from the back end to have a specific language displayed in a specific country or area and a specific foreign currency. So the system automatically transacts the amount, let's say, from euro to Turkish lira, and it can display it automatically Turkish for the Turkish client that get inside in your web page and in your web booking engine at a glance. Now, another reason we are using the member login is for the agents and corporate clients. It's common to have the reservation department getting the phone all the time, or from agents that are small, not big agents, but they call all the time to ask, do you have availability, which is the price I have, which is the net price you have for agents. With member login, you can create unlimited rate plans, fixed rate plans, net, with commission, without commission, rate plans with packages, and give a specific member login to the agents. So with the username and the password they will have, the only thing they need to do is log in into the booking engine, see the specific rate plan, see the availability of the specific room, book it directly to the booking engine, and you decide whether this client needs to put a credit card or not. So you have the opportunity of having, let's say, cooperation with the travel agent, giving him the opportunity to make the booking on request by not putting his credit card inside, or the client's credit card. Now, you've heard too many things regarding numbers from Tom. It's critical to have persons to read numbers at the moment. Okay, it's critical for you to have persons or professionals with you in your team that can understand how the yield management in general works. You need to understand that the numbers be a critical point to your business, because this is the lead to increase revenue. So Book Online now gives you many tracks. First of all, clients' searches. We call them requests. So you can see not only which month they've searched, but also which start date, which end date, which check-in, check-out, and in which is the period they mostly search within a period. Okay. This helps you see, let's say you have 1,000 request searches from clients for April, but you have only 10 bookings. This means that something is going wrong with your pricing policy. You need to make special offers, or you need to check what is going wrong. Now, Google Analytics plays a great role as well in such occasions in checking whether a booking engine or a website is good enough in order to promote your product. Again, as I said before, a booking engine is connected to the website of the hotel. So Book Online now provides you the opportunity not only to check the Google Analytics statistics of Book Online now, but it provides you also to connect those Google Analytics of the booking engine with the official Google Analytics of your website. There you can see not only from Book Online now, from which countries they're coming from reports you can generate, but you can see also which clients came to your booking engine, visited the website first, came to your booking engine, and if they left. It's a called flow. You can see a flow inside in Google Analytics, so you can see in which pages they went inside. You know that the most of the clients visit the location section in your website. They don't see the photographs. They don't see the index, the first page. They see the location. Why don't display in this your special offer? Why only have it in your first page and not in the location section where mostly the clients go? Now, monitoring all these things helps you not only analyze the booking engine, but analyze your whole strategy in AdWords or AdSense that you run in Google in order to increase and to bring to clients your web page higher in the ranking. Okay. Now, Book Online now also has a meta-search connectivity with major meta-search sites like Google Hotel Finder, Trivago, Wigo, Kayak. That means that your hotel can be displayed and you can get bookings directly to your official web page. This is why we're talking about Trip Connect. Of course, Book Online now is Trip Connect verified. We finalize this period. The new feature TripAdvisor is working with, which is TripAdvisor Instant Booking. I don't know if anybody heard about it. I'm not aware if it's working right now in Turkey, because does it work? It's working. So, what is a TripAdvisor Instant Booking? This means with Trip Connect, you have the opportunity to display your room as you do here. Booking, Expedia, you could also have your official web page displayed there as a price. The thing with Trip Connect though is it was PPC campaign. That means it was you pay per click, and the client was redirected directly to the booking engine outside TripAdvisor. The different thing that TripAdvisor is working right now, and it's launching in many countries, as I heard here also in Turkey, is that they try to keep the booking engine, your official booking engine, inside TripAdvisor. That means the client doesn't leave from TripAdvisor, he stays inside. He makes the booking inside, and you pay a specific commission that is different per country directly to the TripAdvisor site. So reviews, as you can understand, play a great role as well. Okay, it's the first point I've told you, that you need always to see what is new in the online sales world and what you can do and which tools you can use in order to increase your revenue. Now, regarding change, Book Online now has the ability of having a portal edition with multi-property display for your chain. That means that you can have a different page of the booking engine displaying each hotel with the best available price per period, have a small description, and also use this portal edition in order to have a centralized promo code, a centralized login for all the group chain. This way to create new opportunities for your official chain website. Other feature is the cross-selling feature. What is the cross-selling feature? It's commonly that you have, let's say, if you have a chain with 3 hotels here in Istanbul or 2 hotels in Ankara, whenever somebody searches, when somebody searches for one of your hotels here in Istanbul and he doesn't find availability in one, the cross-selling option gives you the opportunity to display the sister hotel that you have in the same area. So you never lose the client. He doesn't abandon because he sees that the hotel chain he has chosen has another hotel. Why don't visit it and see if we can book it? Now, an extremely new feature is the fully customized design. What is the fully customized design? It means that the booking engine follows completely the feel and look of the official website. That means the header, the footer, the buttons, the fonts that are being used in the official website can be used in the booking engine. Therefore, the client doesn't feel that he's leaving, let's say, the security of a hotel chain. He feels that he stays inside. So the booking procedure mostly increases your revenue through this fully customized version. Now, the thing is, this is a top-class booking engine. It's not a good booking engine. It's a top-class booking engine that is a sales platform. By having the channel manager, by having the rate shopper, the price optimizer, a very good professional team that can understand what the new website needs and analyze all the data that you get, can help you increase your online awareness and revenue and get rid of the 15 or 20% you may be paid, surely paid, to booking engines. And why not do it with a good booking engine, a good channel manager, and professionals that Hotel Linkage has at the moment in order for you and helps you increase your revenue and online awareness of your brand. Okay, thank you very much.